Hello friends, welcome to Padhuskitchen. In this video, we are going to see how to make soft Ragi Puttu. This can be had for breakfast, as a light dinner or as a snack. Let's get started. I have taken half cup of sieved ragi flour. Wrap it in a cotton cloth and steam for just 8 to 10 minutes. It is 10 minutes now, we will take it out. Break the lumps. I am adding 1 tablespoon of idiyappam flour. This will give a nice texture. Add a little salt, mix well. Add lukewarm water 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix it well with the flour. The flour should be moist but not soggy. It should hold together but should easily break. Now we will blitz this for a second in a mixie. You can also use a sieve. This is puttu podi. We will steam this wrapped in a cloth. I have soaked 1.5 tablespoon of moong dal in hot water. This is soaking for 30 minutes. Heat water in a steamer or idli cooker. Steam the puttu podi and moong dal for 12 to 15 minutes. This is done. I am turning off the heat. Transfer it to a plate. Break the lumps. Add the cooked moong dal without the water. Grated coconut. A teaspoon of ghee. Palm sugar or jaggery or white sugar as needed. Mix everything well and enjoy. Ragi Puttu is ready. As we have steam cooked rice, it's very soft and very delicious, not at all dry. Do try it and leave your feedback. You can give this to kids after they get back from school. They are going to love this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Padhuskitchen. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a video. Do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.